In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Clickup. If you're juggling tasks in your work life and feel like you're spinning plates, Clickup comes to the rescue with its robust reminders feature. From remembering to send that important email to making sure you don't miss your next meeting, Clickup makes it easy to stay on top of everything. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, head over to Clickup's website. It's your one-stop shop to manage tasks, docs, goals, chats, and your all-important reminders. As we land on Clickup's homepage, marvel at its simplicity and the promise of a more organized work life. Now, to access your work environment, you'll need to log in. Click on the login page link and you will be greeted with two key fields. The first one asks for your email. Here you will enter the email address associated with your Clickup account. It's your gateway to accessing your digital workspace. After typing in your email, the next step is to enter your password. The password is your key. So make sure it's strong yet memorable to you. Once you've filled both these fields, you're just a step away from entry into your productivity hub. Hit the login button to dive into your Clickup workspace. As you find yourself on the home page, take a moment to appreciate the clean design and intuitive interface. Clickup prides itself on being someone's digital productivity partner, and as you explore, you'll see why. To navigate to reminders, you'll click on the waffle icon located typically in the top corner of your screen. This icon is essentially your gateway to Clickup's extensive menu where you can find almost anything you need. After clicking the waffle icon, look for the reminder option. This is where Clickup allows you to manage your time effectively by setting reminders for all crucial tasks and commitments. Click on this to proceed. Now the creative part begins. You'll type in a name for your reminder. This could be anything from send quarterly report to team meeting at 3 p.m. Choose something clear and direct so at a glance you know exactly what it's about. Once you've christened your reminder with a name, it's time to bring it into existence. Click on Create Reminder. With this one click, you take a significant step towards organizing your tasks and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Congratulations, you've now added a reminder to your Clickup workspace. It's a simple set of actions with potentially massive implications for your productivity and peace of mind. A couple of quick tips to enhance your experience. Customize your reminders by setting specific dates and times. This way, Clickup not only reminds you of what needs to be done, but also when. Moreover, explore the possibility of adding notes to your reminders for additional context or instructions. This can be incredibly helpful if the task requires more than a simple action, or if you need to share the reminder with team members. Speaking of sharing, Clickup allows you to delegate reminders to others in your workspace. This feature is fantastic for teamwork and ensures accountability, enabling you to spread tasks among team members efficiently. In a world where time is of the essence, being reminded of the important things at the right time can make all the difference. Clickup's reminder feature is here to make sure you're always ahead of the game, reducing stress and boosting productivity. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating reminders in Clickup. The process is straightforward, but don't underestimate the power of this simple tool. By effectively managing reminders, you ensure that every task, big or small, receives the attention it deserves. Thank you for watching, and here's to becoming the master of your time with Clickup. Stay tuned for more productivity hacks and tips to make your work life as efficient as possible.